Hey guys, welcome to a new video guys, and in today's video we're going to be talking about if, elif, else statements. Now, if you guys subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications bells on, then you guys will get notified. Else, you guys will not get notified and have to go to my channel and check if I posted a video. Now, in our daily lives, at least like one time we used if statements, right? For example, if you close the lights, the room will be dark, else the room would be, lit up. Now, we're going to be seeing how we can use that in Python. Now, here's what we're going to say. Let's say my score, math underscore score, is equal to, let's say I got a 80 on my test. Now, here's what we can do. We're gonna say if. Now, when we wrote if, you guys can see that its color changed, which means it's a function. We're gonna say if math score is greater than, let's say, 70, and we're gonna say this symbol, I forgot it. Oh, wait, we did a mistake. We're not supposed to, we're just supposed to press enter, and we're going to say print good job, not bad. And then we're going to say, else, how about we put, one more space, there we go. Else print, we're gonna say else, this right here, and it's a colon, my bad. We're gonna say print work harder. Now let's run it. It says good job, not bad, because our math score is higher than 70. Now let's say our grade is a 60. What happens then? We get work harder. Alright, pretty good, right? Nothing too crazy. Now, what if we have more of situations? Let's say, now we said if your math score is higher than 70, it's gonna say good job, not bad. Now let's change that to 90, and let's say if our person gets better than 90, we're gonna say, okay, great job, keep it up. It's up. Now we're gonna say elif, this is where elif comes in. We're gonna say if elif math underscore score is, let's say, greater than 70 and is less than 90, we're gonna say, let's put this column right there, we're gonna say print good job, not bad. Now else, we're gonna say work harder. Now let's go ahead and run this. It says, oh yeah, okay. Uh, it says work harder because our grade is less than 70. Now let's put our grade to 80. It's going to say, good job, not bad. And let's say, could use some improvements. And let's run it. Good job, not bad. Could use some improvements. Now let's say our grade is a 99. Let's run it. Okay guys, we had a little bit of a issue. So whenever I ran this and changed this into, for example, I changed this to 99 and I ran this, it said, great, good job, not bad, could use some improvements. But that's not what we wanted, because if it was higher than 90, we would get great job, keep it up. Now the problem is, you guys need to be careful in this too. Whenever you change a code, don't forget to run it. That's what I forgot. And so it says, great job, keep it up. Now let's do something else. Let's do your code, let's say. Your code is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 4, 2. Alright? Now, 1, 2, 4, 3, let's say. Great. Your code is 1, 4, 2, 3. Now, if your code, let's say if your code is equal to 1423, print successful. Did I spell that right? I think I did, right? Alright. Just gonna say enter and enter, and we're gonna say else print wrong code, try again. And so let's run it. Successful. Let's change this to this. Let's run that and that. Wrong code, try again. Great. Now let's say else. Let's say if they put a code between two numbers. Let's say else your code is going to be 1424, let's say 5. It's going to be less than 1425. You're going to say your code, it has to be higher than 1400. Now let's run it. Wait, I forgot to say this. Print you are close. Now let's run that. So guys, this will be it for today's video. It's really simple. It's if, elif, and else statement. Like, If I cook the food too much, it will burn. Then it will burn. Else, it will be really good. Something like that. So I hope you guys understood today's lesson and see you guys in a brand new video.